I trust God we have a great time. It's another beautiful day. Let's thank God for a new day. Thank God for the gift of life. So today I'll take us through a section of how to convert our DWG drawing, our drawing on AutoCAD to a PDF file. Because you might want to send this drawing to someone who is not knowledgeable about AutoCAD or who is not having AutoCAD software on their laptop, or even they are not having their card reader, a AutoCAD reader on their phone. So how are they going to access this drawing? So the best way to go about it is to change this drawing to a PDF file or a JPG or PNG file, a photo, a kind of photo image. So, and I'll also combine this tutorial with how to print on AutoCAD, how to plot. So to go about this briefly, you can press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Continue. So, and you can also, there are three ways to go about it. You can also go to this icon, plot icon, still the same thing, or you go to file, go to your file and you see your plot here. So once you click something like this, once you click continue, the page, the model page or a plot page will pop up. So this is your plot model. So this name you can leave it, and what this is used for is that maybe you have this setup, you want to use it in case of another time, you can import or you can put a kind of add name, a name here. But mind you, you don't actually need that, just leave it as none. So go to the next one, name. So here you just scroll down to convert a DWG to PDF file. So you go to DWG to PDF. If you want to change it to a JPEG file, you go to JPEG. You want it to be in form of image. So you go to publish to web PNG. You want to change it to a PNG format. So we are making use of a PDF. So let's click on this PDF also. So next is to go to our paper. So I'll be making use of A3. Depends on the drawing you are working on. So if the drawing is smaller, you want to print on A4, you can just go to A4. If you want to go to A3, I'll make use of A3. On A3, I'm having two types: 420 by 297 mm, 297 by 420. It's just the same thing, but the orientation is different. So I'll be going with 297 by 420. So that's it. So the next thing to go is to, after our paper size, go to our plot area, click on this drop down arrow and click on window. So here we just want to select the drawing that I want to print. I want to convert to PDF. So it's just like right click on your page, and it's just like as if you want to highlight, then you left click. You left click, then you left click again after you are done. So let's go back there again. You want to go back, you want to select it again. Maybe can you see it has carved out a white area while the other are in a kind of gray color. So this is where it will plot. So you click again, left click, then you move your mouse. Don't let the space to be much, as in the space around the object, so that you pick only the necessary details. Once you are done, then the next thing you check is not at the center. So you plot it, click on mark this center, the plot. So to send it to the center. Then make sure this is marked also, fit to paper. And I think we are good to go. So before we want the quality to be high, want it to be maximum, normal, let's just leave it as normal. So the next thing to do is to want to change it upside down. We want a portrait size. If you need this landscape, you just mark accordingly. Here, if you want to change, maybe it's a colored image, you want to change some other information there. So like about the color, you want it to print a color. If your object is a color. So the next thing to do, instead of just plotting this drawing, we have to preview to check what you are doing. Maybe is in order. So once you click, so to preview, to show you a presentation of how it will look like. This is how our drawing will look like once we change it to PDF. So you can cancel, you can just press escape to go back to the previous page, or you click on this plot. So you cancel it to take you to that model page, and you click on OK there. or on your print, you just click on that printer like icon. So this is the name. You see the file type is PDF. So if you check the object that we have in that drawing is a labs 2, laboratories 2. Just input the name. Then you can select the folder you want to save the drawing into. So you can select the folder. So labs 2. Let me put S because I've already done that before. Okay. So once it's successful, to take away this, to remove this. So once it is generated, I think it's done. You can go to wherever you save your document. Go to wherever you save your document. If you want it to be saved on your desktop, you can also do that. So once you go to your document, so once you go to your document, just open with whichever AutoCAD, whichever PDF software that you have, so that you make use of that to open your PDF file. So while this is coming up, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment on our YouTube channel so that we know how to serve you better. So we are solely committed to and dedicated to giving you the best on the engineering software. And if you want to be notified whenever we have a new video, just click on that bell icon beside the subscribe. So if you want to open, just open with whichever PDF opening app, PDF app that you have that can open a PDF file on your phone, on your system, or even on your phone. I hope you get that. So once it's pop up, let's wait. So also, like I said, I want to combine the tutorial with how to plot on AutoCAD. So you want to plot on AutoCAD, it's the same procedure. Just go to this icon, or you press Ctrl P, or you go to File. Then you come over here. Okay, you click on Continue. So once the page pops up, you see the page. Like I said, you don't have anything to do with this name. The only area whenever you need this name is maybe you've plotted a drawing and you want to use the same setup. For the next drawing that you want to print, or you want to change to PDF, maybe like the paper size, this window, you don't want to go there again, just go to previous. Once you go to previous, can you see all those settings are there, all those windows? You don't have to go do them again. The only thing you have to do is to, if you want to plot, you go to printer or plotter name and you pick the name of the printer. As you can see, there is no printer name here. So once you have installed a printer on your laptop, so you just pick the printer name and you make use of that. Then once you follow the other procedure, like go to window, reselect the object you want to print, then put it on center, mark the center, preview, and you plot. So once you plot, it will print on a paper. So that's how to go about it. So I trust that this video tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is our PDF file. You can send it to someone and they'll be able to access it with their AutoCAD, without their AutoCAD app or software. Once they have a PDF opening app like Office Suite or WPS on their phone, on their laptop, Adobe Reader or Adobe Reader, Wondershare, and the likes. So you'll be able to access it. So I hope this is helpful. So don't forget to like our page, subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Asante. Ngiabunga. Gracias. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Thank you. See you some other time.